This is my ancestor. During Dynasty Qing, my ancestor was the general of China. He would fight the enemies and was responsible for war.
They had arrogantly boasted that they could conquer all of the huge nation in 3 months. But their confident invasion of the mainland met a sudden check before the key city of Shanghai. A stubborn and bloody Chinese defense. Street by street, barricade by barricade, wrecked their timetable and wounded their insolent pride. By the time the city fell, the Japanese lusted for revenge.
In 1941, my great-grandfather was successfully escaped from the Japanese to Malaysia. He took a boat from Nan'an, China to Malacca, Malaya. That time, Malaysia was not formed yet. However, he did not have anything when he came here. He was poor, homeless, and did not know anyone here. He did not have family since his family was killed by the Japanese. To earn a living, he worked all day and night. Life was hard to him at that time. After working hard for so many years, his life became better. So he felt it was time to get married as he was not young anymore. He had a speed dating with a lady, which is my great-grandmother, and gave birth to 6 children after that. My great-grandfather supposed to be happy, but he was worried more than happy. This is because he did not have the ability to take care of all 6 children. Money that he earned from mining can't afford to feed all the children. Then he thought of an idea. He decided to give away 2 children after discussing with my great-grandmother, although they are not willing to do that. These 2 children, including my grandma, who was 3 years old only. The family that adopted my grandma treated her badly. She was ordered to do all the housework since she was only 3 years old, and they would beat her without any reason. She had no choice but to endure. My grandma was decided to run away from their family after that. With her neighbor's help, she got the address of her real parents. She escaped from the family and found her real parents. After 1 year, my grandma was 18. Her parents, which was my great-grandparents, decided to arrange a blind date for my grandma. In that blind date, my grandma met my grandpa. Long after, they were married and gave birth of 6 children. To raise up 6 children, they need money. My grandpa tried to find out a way to earn money. Then he thought of rubber tapping. After working so many years, he was able to buy a shop lot. Thus, he started his business by selling the hardware. But unfortunately, my grandpa was passed away while he was 14 because of lung cancer. Thus, my father and his brother sister was not higher educated because they're forced to work after graduate from primary school. Now, my family life is much more better. My father and his sister brothers have their own shop. Not only that, all the children in our family have the chance to further their study in university.